just like here at Princess Margaret Hospital. On that side, there's no one there. Nada. No patients, no doctors, no one. Except that side. There's only a few nurses and some babies. But here, 5 levels up, no one. And they said, this place is haunted. So let's find out, eh? Oops. I gotta sign this book. Right. Holy
Hell no!
it's dark.
Lee! Hold up! Oh, hell no.
Nope, I'm not going in there. But the book is right there. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's go to level 2. Level 2. Oh. God damn it. The book is right there. Okay. As you can see. Oops. Okay, I'm not signing that book.
Hell no!
Okay. Let's go to level 1. Whew. So far, so good.
Hell no!
Whew. Look at the light. Hell no.
Hell no!
Hell no. I thought it's one of those, in the movies when the elevator was just closing and a hand comes through. That's what I was thinking. All right. Whew. We're back. God damn it. And I'll show you something. Hang on. See, I'll show you something. See this guy here? This guy here. See? This big frame. It's staring right down at me, sitting down there. All night.
Hell
Kind
no.
of spooky, eh? Right. Good news. We have free mochaccino. Here we go. Mochaccino. Thank God. Whew. After that, I may need a 1 cup of mochaccino. Oh, see that? Must be ghost. All right. Whew. Yummy. Yummy. All right. There you go. All done. What's that? Did you hear that? Hello? I'm going out. See you. See, no one's here. The whole hospital. There's no one here. Hello? Hello? See? Look at some vending machines here. Might come and steal some biscuits later on. And that hallway. I do not want to walk down that hallway. Hell no.
Hell no.
And down there, somewhere down there, is the chapel and the morgue. Anyway, back to my office. Thank you. Thank you very much. That is a quick tour of the haunted hospital. They said it's haunted, but I don't think so. Soon find out. If there is, I'm out of here. Bye.